buy dirt, find the one you can't live without. Get a ring, let your knee hit the ground. Do what you love and call it work. Throw a little money in the plate at church. Send some prayers up and your roots down deep. Add a few limbs to your family tree. Watch their pencil marks and the grass in the yard all grow up. Cause the truth about it is it all goes by real quick. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy dirt. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is How to Play Buy Dirt by Jordan Davis featuring Luke Bryan. I'd never heard the song, so I'm really grateful for the request. If you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to get to them. I know there's a couple more floating out there. One of them that's particularly taking me a little bit of time, but I promise I'm getting to them as much as I can, okay? So please hit like and subscribe. It means a lot to me, so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials, all right? Plus then, if you think the video is good, you know, YouTube serves up to more people and stuff, so I would really appreciate that if you guys could do that for me, so please do. Okay, so let's get into it. This song is pretty dang easy. You're gonna use the same strumming pattern the whole time, and you're gonna use 4 chords. So the 4 chords you're gonna use E, okay? You're also gonna use B. Now I'm doing a rip-off B, just because I know that you guys are mostly newer to guitar, and so you're supposed to play B like this. All right, that will sound a little bit better. All right, so you should play it like that. But if you have a hard time playing it like that, just play the power chord, especially because you're at one point in the chorus, you're gonna slide up 2 frets anyway. So just put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the A string. All right, you're supposed to bar it, but if you can't, that's all right. Put your ring finger on the 4th fret on the D string, and your pinky goes on the 4th fret on the G string. So pointer, 2nd fret on the A string, and then the other ones are on the 4th frets, okay? So, all right. Then the next one you're gonna do is A. All right. You're also gonna do, now you only use this one on the chorus, but you're gonna do C sharp minor, okay? So when I was telling you to do B and you do the rip-off B, is what we're gonna call it, you're gonna, so you do that, and then you slide up, and you're gonna put, so you go slide up 2 frets, okay, so now you're on the 4th and 6th frets, and then you put your middle finger down, it goes on the 5th fret on the B string. Okay, just like that. So that's C sharp minor, all right? So, so let's get into it. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna start just with E. All right, so the intro is just E. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? So that's the strumming pattern for pretty much the whole song, all right? So it's just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? Down, down, up, down, up. Now, if you find something that sounds like it's a little bit better, because the rhythm guitar, I'm just teaching you how to play it on beats and on the rhythm, right? I don't know for sure that's exactly how they play it. In fact, I think he's actually palm muting it at the beginning, so you could just do. So palm muting it, you're putting this part of your hand as close as you can down here on the strings, and then you're plugging mainly the bass notes, okay? So, you know, you can do it with a pick as well, but you'd be. You can do that too. So I think that's actually how you should do it. You should be, especially for the verses, you should be palm muting it. All right, so, but either way, you're doing the same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Remember that's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, just like that. Sorry, that always takes the breath out of me. Okay, so you'll start with that with E. You're gonna do it like, I think, a couple measures. I don't really know like how to read music that well, but you're gonna do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then after that second time that you go through it, then you're gonna stay on E and you're gonna start singing lyrics. Okay, so few days before he turned 80. Okay, so after 80, at the very end of 80, you're gonna do B. He was sitting out back in a rocker. Okay, then you go to A after rocker. He said, what you been up to lately? I told him chasing the dollar. Okay, then you go to E again. All right, so then you're gonna do E, and in between sips of coffee, then you go to B. He poured this wisdom out. Okay, so after out, you do A. Said, if you want my 2 cents making $1. count. All right, and then what you would do is you do a single strum, making a dollar count. Okay, then you're gonna go to the chorus here, and you won't palm mute anymore. And you don't have to palm mute the verses. If you don't palm mute it, just play it softer. I mean, you could mainly play these lower, these like higher sounding strings that are farther down. Okay, you could do that, but anyway, so for the chorus, you won't palm mute it, and you're gonna sing ba. So after you do that A, you're gonna go by dirt. So on dirt is where you're gonna do E, like right after dirt. By dirt. Okay, just like that. Dirt. Find the one you can't live without. Out and without is where you go to B. Out. Get a ring that you need. Hit the ground. Okay, so the ground, you're gonna slide up from that B to the C sharp minor. And if you have a hard time putting your middle finger down, know that you don't have to do it all at the same time, but just when you're here, just get used to then putting it down, okay? That will help you get like used to doing it if you're newer to the guitar. Okay, so ground is C sharp minor. Ground, do what you love, but call it work. Okay, then work is A. Work, throw a little money in the plate at church. Okay, church is E. Church, send some prayers up and your roots down deep. Okay, deep is B. Deep, add a few limbs to your family tree. Okay, tree is C sharp minor. Tree, and watch the pencil marks and the grass. Okay, grass is A. Grass in the yard, all grow up. So on up, you're gonna do E. Up, cause the truth about it is. So is where you're gonna do B. Is it all goes by real quick. Quick is C sharp minor. You can't buy happiness. Happiness, so ness is where you're gonna do A. Ness, but you can buy dirt. So you're gonna let it ring out at the end of happiness. Happiness. Then you're gonna stop. But you can buy dirt. And then you're just gonna do like you did for the intro again. So you're gonna do the E just for like twice as long as you would just stay on E. So you'll just do E, and then you're gonna go into the second verse, which is where Luke Bryan comes in. Before you get caught on the ladder. Okay, and then you're gonna go into the second verse. Second verse is super short and easy too. So then when you go after the second chorus, you're gonna play, so you're gonna do, you can't buy happiness, but you can buy dirt. And then after dirt, you're gonna do C sharp minor. Okay, so you do C sharp minor, B, so now you slide down. But you can buy. Okay, so after buy, you're gonna do A, dirt, A, E. And then when you go to the bridge, you're gonna do this. You're just gonna do single strums, and you're gonna go to B. I'm sorry. And thank the good Lord for it, cause he ain't making any more of it. All right, and then when you do the last verse, the last chorus, sorry, you're gonna do single strums for the beginning of the intro. All right, buy dirt, find someone you can't live without. Get a ring, let your knee hit the ground. Do what you love, but call it work. Throw a little money in the plate at church. Okay, so then after church, you're gonna then go back to the same strumming as you did before. Okay, so it's a really easy song to play. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. I'm more than happy to answer them, or if you have other requests, please let me know in the comments and stuff. Thanks so much for watching. It's been a lot of fun, and I'll see you next time.